comment a bomb because this Twistout, I'm just gonna leave it at that.
Hey YouTube, and welcome back to It's Amazing. Hey, welcome. My name is Caitlin. How are you? You should definitely subscribe. Like, first of all, my hair is dripping wet. I can get pneumonia in the chest. And you should subscribe because, like, you see what I do for y'all. And while you're at it, if you want to see more of this beautiful chocolate face, follow me on my social media accounts to be listed up above just for you. Also, if you want to get more insight on the Black Lives Matter movement and updates, I have a link, well, several links in the description box below, and you can check them out and all that good jazz. Now, you know why I'm here? No, you know why you're here. I know why you're here. So let's just get right into this video. Okay, so by the title, you already know I'm going to be trying the Mielle Organics Rice Water Collection, and I got two of the products. The first product I'm going to be trying out is the Rice Water Clay Mask, and this mask is for the hair and body, so plus. And yeah, I like how it smelled. It smelled like kind of cologne-y, in a sense, like a light cologne, and this is how it looks, all pink and purty. And it's like a medium type of thick, which I liked. This is freshly pre-pooed hair, by the way. Yeah, all I'm going to do is just take out the twists one by one and put the clay mask on. And yeah, you're just going to watch me. Okay, so I am back and I already deep conditioned my hair. So yeah, this is freshly deep conditioned hair. And I'm just going to split my hair in sections because that's what we always do when we do our hair. So yeah, I'm just going to split it in sections and I'm going to try the second product that I bought from the Rice Water collection. Well, before I do that, I am going to go in with my favorite leave-in to this day. It is by Beniceessentials. I'll have a link in the description box, and I'll have a floaty thingy up there if you want to catch my review on the product. Okay, so now my hair is fully coated in the leave-in, and it looks so beautiful. So yeah, now I'm going to go in with the second product that I bought from the Rice Water collection, and it is the Rice Water Moisturizing Milk. This is how the packaging is. I thought this packaging was so cute for this collection. It's pink. I usually not really like a girly girl type colors, but it was cute. This is how the product looks as it comes out the bottle. And this one oddly did not have a smell to me. You saw me putting my nose deep up in it, girl. I got some on my lip, but it didn't really have like a smell to me. So yeah, the product it's more on the watery side than I'm used to from Miele. So it's like from a small to a medium type of thick. So all I'm going to do is just put that on my hair. Next, I'm going to go in with the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey Twisting Souffle. I love using this stuff for my twist out. It is so bomb. If you want to see my review on it, it's in the description box, and I'll have a little floater thing if I remember. So yeah, I'm just going to get some of that, put that on there as well. And last but not least, to seal in all of that good old moisture, I'm going to go in with the All Things Hair Grow Me Crazy hair growth butter. And I just started using this and I love this stuff. It is so thick and it goes so well with my hair. I love it. You know, usually I use olive oil, but girl, I'm liking this butter. Don't tell olive oil I said that though. So then I'm just going to twist my hair up, and I know y'all see the definition in them curls. So yeah, I'm just going to twist it up, and I'm going to repeat this all over my head until I am done. But yeah, you already know what you can do. You sit back, relax, and listen to this non-copyrighted music.
Yeah. I was finna write a song, but how I been hella stressed. But I looked in your eyes and noticed I'm hella blessed. Staring at you on this airplane, I ain't worried about nothing, cause you got me feeling like the Wayne Way. made in 03. Yeah, you and me, we got the heat. So bump all that anxiety. But you hit to the side of me. I feel like I'm gliding. And honestly, look, I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me. That you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. Tell me how you feel, tell me what it is, tell me what it ain't. Trigger happy, you looking by, I might just detonate. Yeah, tell them dudes looking far back. Kidding and kill, I need all that. Let them call, but don't call back. Let them call, but don't. I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me. That you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me.
Okay, so this is a couple days later, and my twists are all dry and shrunken up. So I'm just going to go in with the hair growth butter again. And it's like a shea butter, so I use it and I warm it up in my hands, and I use this like a oil just to relieve some of the friction that I may cause when taking down my hair and to not get as much frizz. See, I'm just going to take the twists one by one. You already know, girl. Take it one by one, unraveling them and taking down my hair.
But I really want to tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring.
Baby, I don't even want to stretch this. It looks so good already. This is like not stretched. Do y'all see this? It's not even. See, you can tell where I cut my hair, can't you? Like I cut too much over here. Cause this side is like drooping and draping. This side is like playing. I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna stretch my hair. And I'm trying a new stretching method. If it works, I'm gonna let y'all know.
Okay, so this is after I stretch my hair, and y'all, I'm gonna put y'all on as soon as I can record it. I'm gonna put y'all on to how I stretch my hair. It only took 10 minutes and it stretched so beautifully. Like I know y'all see that. And yeah, like I'm gonna put y'all on in a few. And I'm just gonna fluff it some with my fingers, like with my scalp, just to, you know, give me some volume. And now, because obviously I felt like talking that day, I'm going to hand it over to Caitlin in the present, and she is going to close out this video for me. So yeah, enjoyed it.
Okay, so yet again I'm going to interrupt a voiceover. Come in with the photo time, Caitlin. Yeah. Okay, so I'm here to give my final thoughts on the Mielle rice water line, well, or collection, whatever you want to call it. So clay mask. I will say that it did clean my hair, but I didn't put them on my scalp because it didn't say I could, so I didn't. So like I feel like I thought I was wasting time, but I thought this would be better when you just want to, I don't know, do your hair, but you want to do your scalp when you do your hair too though. But yeah, I just would have preferred if I could go on my scalp as well. I don't know if it can, it didn't say. So I would have preferred that because I did have to go in with another shampoo, and I felt like I was, you know, stripping my hair a lot because I was using the clay on top of a shampoo. Even though I did concentrate to my roots, I still feel like I shouldn't have had to do that, you know. I will say I am going to use it on my body. Good thing that it is like duo usable, so I'm going to use it on my body, and because it smells good, so it has like a little cologne type smell to it. I like it, it's cool, so I'm going to use it for that. So I mean, didn't really fail anything, but I can say that I did get my hair clean. I feel like it did kind of dry it because I had done an olive oil, hot oil treatment prior, and my hair was feeling so good, so soft, and I put this on there and it was like dry. So yeah, that's my thought on that. And now to the cream or moisturizer, I think it is. Let's see. Okay, as for the cream or the rice water moisturizing milk, I didn't like it. I didn't really think I was going to like it either, even though my results came out bomb. Like, do y'all see this? Definition. Like, the results came out bomb, but I feel like the other products that I used with this saved it. Like my leave-in that I love, and the cream that I used to do my twist out so I can get the definition that I like, and along with the butter, I feel like that saved it. So if you do want to try this product, I mean, like, make sure you have some products that'll save it. Because when I put this on top of my leave-in, because this isn't a leave-in, it's a moisture milk, so I put it on top of my leave-in, it made my hair feel dry. So I'm like, because my hair was feeling good under the leave-in and it felt soft, then I put this on it and it felt like all the stuff evaporated from my hair. I will try it again with a different leave-in just in case those two leave-ins didn't mesh well. I don't know, but I wasn't really a big fan of this one. And like, rice water is protein anyway, so like, I don't know how they said moisture milk. I don't know, I didn't understand that whole collection vibe. I know rice water is really popping right now though, but I think it should be used as the purpose which it was intended. So they made a protein treatment with the rice water, probably would love it because I like using rice water on my hair, but they tried to use moisturizing with it, so that's why I didn't think it didn't work as well for my hair, because my hair, she likes moisture more than protein. Okay, so those are my final thoughts. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, girl, you already know what to do. Subscribe, and if you want to see more of this beautiful chocolate face, do not forget to follow me on my social media accounts. They'll be up above just for you. Like, it's right there or there. Click it. Well, don't click it because it ain't no link. Type in my name or go to the description box and get a direct link so you can follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok. And also don't forget, if you're in the description, to look down in the description box below for any updates on the Black Lives Matter movement. I have those links down below just for you. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. But can y'all like comment a bomb, because this twist out, I'm just gonna leave it at that. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.